Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Paula's Choice 10% Azelaic Acid Booster with licorice and salicylic acid. Looks like this. Paula's Choice very generously sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. My name is Nadia. If you are new here, I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love product reviews. This is actually a Paula's Choice bestseller, and it is meant to clarify uneven tone, target stubborn spots, and soothe irritation, resulting in smoother, more radiant, younger looking skin. You can find this booster at paulaschoice.com and Sephora. I will link it down below for you. A 1 ounce unit like this retails for $39. You want to use this once or twice daily along the face and neck. This may be used alone, or it may be added to your favorite moisturizer or serum. You want to follow with a sunscreen if you are using this during the day. The ingredients list here does not disappoint. The 10% Azelaic Acid Booster pairs azelaic acid with licorice root and salicylic acid alongside more than 2 handfuls of hydrators and a handful of anti-aging ingredients. Azelaic acid is a skin soother that it also very gently exfoliates the skin. It improves texture, reduces acne blemishes, and post-inflammation hyperpigmentation or post-inflammation erythema. Azelaic acid also calms redness and is a great ingredient for sensitive skin. Licorice root here is an extract. It is a skin soother with anti-aging properties that also has the ability to help fade dark spots. And lastly, we'll cover salicylic acid here, which is an oil-loving acid that slows off dead cellular debris. It unclogs each and every pore for softer, smoother texture and tone. From use, I did not notice much of a scent. Personally, I find this to be so lightweight that it can be used year-round. This is not heavy at all. I did, however, notice more of a cooling, soothing sensation and a tiny bit of a tingle every time I applied it. Today, I felt more of a cooling sensation, not so much a tingle. I haven't used loads of azelaic acid-based products. One of the last ones I can think of is the Farmacy Brighten Up 3% TXA Dark Spot Toner with azelaic acid and PHAs. I will link my review to that up above. The differences here are quite obvious. The Farmacy product, of course, is a toner, and instead of salicylic acid here, Farmacy pairs it with PHAs, which could very well be gluconolactone, which is a bit more gentle on the skin and more of a surface level exfoliation instead of like deep pore cleaning. I will say that the toner is one of those products that has given me the most amazing glow, hands down. So if you love a glow, if you lean dry, dull, the toner may be better suited for you, but just keep in mind that the azelaic acid percentage will be a lot lower, definitely not at a 10% concentration. I can definitely see myself using either one year round. I also just realized as I was prepping for this video that Drunk Elephant actually has an azelaic acid based product, and it is the Azelaic Acid Bouncy Brightfacial. It literally has the same percentage, 10%, and 1% salicylic acid. I will say that the price points between those two products are very different. The Drunk Elephant product is almost twice as expensive as the booster, but I will say that the Drunk Elephant formula is incredible. It has over 30 anti-aging ingredients, whereas the booster here has about 5. I will say that I do prefer using Baby Brightfacial strictly at night For intense resurfacing, I do pair it with Drunk Elephant's TLC Framboos. For a gentle, kind of more hydrating enzymatic exfoliation, I have paired it with Be Hydra. I personally love the results the most with the TLC Framboos. Incredible. I wake up with like glowy, just bright skin, which is amazing. I do want to say that I do have a gripe with the Drunk Elephant formula. I find that it is a little bit thick and dry, which is why I prefer to use it at night. Whereas this is definitely more lighter in weight. It applies easily, effortlessly over the skin, and I could definitely use this morning and night. But if, say for example, I were to want to use both in one day, I would use this during the day and Drunk Elephant's Brightfacial at night. It's just a thicker formula, and it does have more of a matte finish, which is not what I look for in my daytime skincare products. If you are all about minimizing the signs of aging, the better unit is the Drunk Elephant Brightfacial. The best unit would be this booster, and the good unit here would be the Farmacy toner, which, you know, I still absolutely love all three products, and I think they have gotten like the higher ratings here. So from use, I have noticed, despite what you are seeing here and here, I have noticed clearer, more clarified skin. Skin appears to be more even, less redness. Skin feels slightly smoother, but nowhere near as smooth. You know, say for example, I were to use glycolic acid, so do keep that in mind. When I did get my hormonal breakouts this month, they literally healed in like 2 days. And by healing, I mean the redness went down, the inflammation went down in about a day or two, which has been a bit unusual for me recently, as I haven't been spot treating. My favorite spot treatment, which is the Murad Deep Relief Acne treatment. That is one of my favorite Murad products. I'll link my review to that up above in case you are interested in a spot treatment. This has literally reduced inflammation, redness, and improved tone so much better than one of the last brightening products I reviewed here on my channel. So after removal from daily wear, my skin looked clearer, appeared brighter, and felt smoother. This worked very well with the Drunk Elephant Proteini Polypeptide Cream. I did use this primarily as a treatment serum, and I did not use any other serums underneath, as I really just wanted to see how well this worked. After 2 weeks of just consistent daily use, I did alternate morning time use with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. I will link my review to this up above for you in case you are interested in some niacinamide, you know, just a warm, dewy glow to the skin. I did pair this with 3 different sunscreens: the new Murad Clear SPF, the Glow Recipe SPF Stick, and the Versed SPF, which I still love and use. I did not use this at night, but I do think that oily, acne-prone, congested skin would definitely see results a lot faster if they were to use this both morning and evening. My favorite way to use this was by cleansing with the Glow Recipe Blueberry Cleanser. I did pair this with the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 6% Mandelic Acid and 2% Lactic Acid Liquid Exfoliant. And I would apply about a pea-sized amount of this booster, focusing primarily along the forehead and like chin area, which is where I tend to break out the most. And whatever was left over, I would apply it to the nose and then the cheek. I would follow with the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream. And if I was feeling adventurous or had extra time, I would add D-Bronzy for more antioxidant protection. But then I would follow it with the Versed sunscreen, and that combo looked amazing under makeup. I would highly recommend this to all skin types who are prone to breakouts, who have reactive skin, perhaps are prone to redness, or have sensitive skin as well. I did find this product to be non-drying and non-irritating despite that 1% salicylic acid. I found this easy to use. It distributed itself really easily and effortlessly over the skin. It was lightweight, non-greasy. It didn't have like a dewy, luminous appearance to the skin, and it wasn't matte by any means. I feel like this essentially just gave my skin a natural finish, and when I did pair it with this, I got a little bit more of that glow and luminosity that I personally love for daytime wear. This, again, pairs very well with the Paula's Choice 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant. Sensitive skin, dry skin, even normal skin that is prone to breakouts may want to pair it with this liquid exfoliant, whereas oily, congested skin may want to pair it with the original liquid exfoliant, which also contains salicylic acid. My cons, I just do not have one. I really enjoy this. I feel like the packaging is great. You can really just kind of manage how much product to use, and I love that it's not in a jar. I'm rating this a 10 out of 10. It's a Paula's Choice bestseller for a reason. This clarified and evened out my post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, allowed my breakouts to heal a lot faster than other products. I looked forward to using this daily, especially when I was experiencing some hormonal breakouts and redness. And I feel like what really just made this product work even better was the fact that it pairs very well with this liquid exfoliant also by Paula's Choice. So let me know if you have tried the Paula's Choice 10% Azelaic Acid Booster in the comments down below. What's your skin type? What were your results? Let's discuss that in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, if you learned something new, as it really helps the algorithm. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hello, it's me again. I always burp at the start of 1 or 2 videos. I can definitely see myself using... Okay, never mind.